Hi, today in front of me ZTE Blade A71 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this switcher is and does it works. So let's try. So we should swipe to enter. Let's just change it into the settings just to unlock directly our device with the face recognition. So swipe to unlock, we should switch it unlock directly when the face is recognized. So let's use it one more time. Okay, that's work. As you can see, the second, third time, so the face unlock feature works here correct. And first we just unlock the device LED and in 1 second. This is good result for the face unlock feature. You just should try this unlock method, but don't forget that this unlock method is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.